Hi friends, welcome to a shop with me video. I am going to have a separate video for my shopping haul from IKEA, but I hope you guys do enjoy this short video of some fun things that I found at IKEA. Alright, let's get to shopping.
It's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something in me, so please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are, so much more than who we are. We can, and knee deep in while the world just falls apart at the rise above it all. And we can. Got me saying, hey girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think we are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me. I'm telling you this now. You don't need to worry, 'cause I got this all down. And we get on together, and we can be so much more than who we are, so much more than who we are. We can, and knee deep in while the world just falls apart at the rise above it all. And we can. Whoa, 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 so please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are, so much more than who we are. We can, knee deep in while the world just falls apart at the rise above it all. And we can, and we can be so much more than who we are, so much more than who we are. We can, and knee deep in while the world just falls apart at the rise above it all. And we can.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video of my shop with me at IKEA. Stay tuned for my shopping haul video shortly to come. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching you guys. Bye!